Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken tandoori at home. We'll begin by selecting about 2 pounds of fresh chicken pieces, ideally bone-in and skinless, for that classic tandoori texture. Then, we'll prepare our flavorful marinade, combining creamy yogurt with a blend of aromatic spices and fresh ginger garlic paste. Make sure every piece of chicken is completely covered for maximum flavor. Now, let's dive into the heart of our tandoori chicken, the marinade. You'll need 1 cup of plain, full-fat yogurt, which acts as a fantastic tenderizer. Next, add 2 generous tablespoons of freshly made ginger garlic paste for that essential aromatic depth. Finally, mix in 1 tablespoon of tandoori masala powder and a tiny pinch of red food coloring for the signature vibrant hue. Once your chicken is fully coated, it's time for the crucial marination period. For the best flavor, let your chicken marinate in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. If you can, leaving it overnight will yield even more tender and flavorful results. Remember to cover the bowl tightly to keep everything fresh and prevent any cross-contamination in your fridge. Finally, it's time to cook your delicious tandoori chicken. You can bake it in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes, or until cooked through. Another fantastic option is grilling over medium-high heat, turning occasionally, until it's beautifully charred and tender. Serve immediately with a squeeze of fresh lemon and a sprinkle of vibrant cilantro.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.